Managing water runoff in your landscape is one of the most important things you can do for the health of the landscape and your own peace of mind. If you look at your conditions, if you have a surface that's hard, a parking lot, a patio, that impervious surface speeds that water up, makes it even worse when it discharges unless you handle that discharge properly. This is a situation where the end was not flared well enough. We had a lot of erosion of the soil. They have actually created a rough surface with the stones, which helps slow that water down and mitigates a little bit of that erosion. First of all, direct it to the right spot, catch it, contain it, clean it, use those plants that have really good, great deep roots, or the plants that will spread. They will help hold that soil as well as pull out all of the pollutants. You of course have to still do some management on it, so big storm events where that water just does its own thing, you have to go back and take a look at whether you have to do a little bit of soil work around those eroded spots, do some additional planting. We let the leaves and the plant material itself be the mulch, because that also makes it easier to manage. You also have to look for those weed trees and those invaders coming in. Make sure you don't let them get a toehold and take over for the plants that you want.